Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we upload powerful audio tutorials, automation tricks, and real life business workflows every single week. In today's video, I am going to show you something extremely useful, how to automate a complete purchase workflow in Odoo using our AI assistant DearERP. So let's grab a coffee and get started the video. In this workflow, we are going to automate a very common purchase scenario that many companies deal with every day. Here is what our AI assistant, Dear ERP, will do for us. Create a new product, create and set up a vendor, link that vendor as the main vendor, set vendor prices, create a purchase order, confirm the purchase order, schedule delivery, create a follow-up activity for the purchase manager, all using one single prompt. Here is the exact instruction what we will give to the Dear ERP. So simply I am pasting here. We can read this, create a new product called premium office chair and set its product type as storable product, assign it to the furniture product category and set the sale price to 8,500 and cost to 5,000. After that, create a new vendor called Metro Supplies Private Limited and link them as the main vendor for this product with a vendor price of 4,800. Next, create a purchase order for 20 units of this product from the same vendor and confirm the PO. Finally, schedule a delivery date for the next Friday only and create a follow-up activity for the purchase manager to verify the received quantity on the day. So we will give this instruction to this tool and then see what and how all these things will get executed. We need to make sure this should be enable the write mode. Currently it is in read mode. This has to be in write mode, then only it will be get executed. After waiting few seconds, amazing, now it is given and premium office share and its entire workflow summary is given here. So step by step we need to check all these things. So what happens here? Dear ERP will first create a product name premium office chair. So we will move into the Odoo and check accordingly. Make sure here if you don't have any module like we need here purchase module. So if you don't have, please install that as well first, or you can give in that prompt as well. So I'm moving in the purchase. So in purchase I'll move into the products. In products what we have given premium office chair. So premium office chair is available and product type should be storable products, that means goods, and product category should be furniture, so it's same, and sale price 8,500 and cost 5,000. This means the product is ready for sales, purchase, stock management and valuation. So after product creating, we need to move to the vendor creation. So I am moving into the vendors. In vendors, nice, there are Metro Supplies Private Limited vendor is available here. So what happened in this? Once the vendor is created, the assistant will automatically link them as the main vendor for this product. So it will also set the vendor price 4,800 as we requested, and this price is used during purchase order. So we will check to the in the products as well. So I'm moving into the products, and in purchase we can see automatically it is set as a main vendor as well. So quantity and price all are set. After this, we need to check the purchase order is created or not. For that, I am moving into the purchase orders. Amazing. This also created with all its details. Especially, you need to check expected arrival as well. Like when I'm clicking here, we request it for the next Friday. So it is taken like that. And also, like all these things are set according to the instructions, and also we need to check the quantity as well and unit price as well. Everything is according to the instruction. So this PO will have all fields which actually filled accurately. So once the system creates the purchase order, DearERP will confirm the order. This converts the PO into a valid order and triggers incoming shipment creation, stock reservations, vendor commitments, everything is automated. And now, scheduling delivery time. Now that the PO is confirmed, as we are looking like this, and our next step is the delivery schedule. And also, DearERP help in that as well. DearERP set the delivery date to next Friday. This means the incoming shipment we will now have the expected arrival date updated, helping your warehouse prepare to receive the goods. And finally, creating follow-up activity as well. So DearERP will create a follow-up activity for the purchase manager. We have to check that as well. For that, we need to move in this request for quotation. We can check here verify received quantity for premium office chair. So please verify that all 20 units of premium office chair have been received from Metro Supplies Private Limited on the scheduled delivery date 25/12/5. So this also set follow-up activity. This ensures that the purchase manager gets a reminder to check whether 20 units were received, if the quality is correct, and if the discrepancy needs to be reported in that. Everything is amazing. This workflow shows the real power of DearERP. With one single prompt, DearERP handles things that usually take 12 to 15 manual clicks, multiple screens, several minutes, full concentration. Now it's done in seconds only. The benefits are huge. Saves time, avoid mistakes, keep your team organized, ensure follow-ups happen on time, makes your purchasing workflow fully automated. Whether you are a purchase manager, Odoo consultant, small business owner, or inventory controller, this automation can transform how you work. And that's bring us to the end of today's video. If you want to speed up your Odoo process, save time and manage your business smarter, give DearERP a try. You can learn more at DearERP.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more automation tutorials and Odoo workflows. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.